Jack Dorsey just dropped Goose, which is a AI agent platform. Not quite sure how, you know, what he has to do with it, but he posted it on his Twitter. So, he started this place, this Twitter place, this X place now. Also, a couple other big companies. So, I gotta at least look into what this Goose thing is. I took a quick look at it and I don't fully comprehend, so I want to comprehend with you. Okay, so let's just read through. Let's read through everything. Let's see. Let's figure it out, dude. Your on-machine AI agent automating engineering tasks seamlessly. Install Goose. Okay, so how do we install Goose? Is this gonna be like a download? No, no, no. It's a curl. Okay. Run the following command to install the latest version of Goose. Okay. Goose currently works on Mac OS and Linux. Okay. Run the following command to install. The script will fetch the latest version of Goose and set it up on your system. Get LLM provider. Goose works with a set of supported LLM providers, and you'll need an API key to get started. When you use Goose for the first time, you'll be prompted to select a provider and enter your API key. Okay, I still need to figure out what it does, so I gotta go back a couple steps here. Install Goose. So I use cursor. I'm a cursor guy. I can't quite comprehend yet if it's a something like cursor or not. What can Goose do? Okay, so open source. Built with transparency and collaboration in mind, Goose empowers developers to contribute, customize, and innovate freely. Runs locally. Goose runs locally to execute tasks efficiently, keeping
I'm not
control
afraid to
in your
die on a
hands.
treadmill. You might have more talent than me, you might be smarter than me, but if we get on the treadmill together, right, there's two things. You're getting off first, or I'm going to die. It's really that simple.
Customize Goose with your preferred LLM and enhance its capabilities with connecting it to any external MCP. Autonomous. Goose independently handles complex tasks from debugging to deployment, freeing you to focus on what matters most. Okay. So it debugs for you. That's sick. With Goose, I feel like I am Maverick. Thanks a ton for creating this. I've been having way too much fun with it today. I wanted to construct some fake data for an API with a large request body and business rules I have memorized. So I told Goose which object to update and a test to run that calls the vendor. Got it to use the errors descriptions from the vendor response to keep correcting the request until it was successful. So good. I asked Goose to write up a few Google scripts that mimic Clockwise's functionality, particularly creating blocks of on my work calendar based on events in my personal calendar, as well as color coding calendar entries based on type and importance. Took me under an hour. If you haven't tried Goose yet, I highly encourage you to do so. If anyone was looking for another reason to check it out, I just asked Goose to break a string array into individual string resources across 11 localizations, and it performed amazingly well and saved me a bunch of time doing it manually or figuring out some way to semi-automate it. All right, so we could watch the YouTube. There we go. That's it. That's it. This is good. Oh, this is a block open source company. Okay. So this actually is Jack stuff, dude. okay. I see.